Hello guys, Sanjay here and welcome back to a new video in which I am going to talk about the Realme GT Master Edition. I know Master Edition सुनने के बाद ऐसा लगता है कि Master meaning बड़ा वाला डिवाइस होगा, Snapdragon 888 होगा, but this is the device which comes with Snapdragon 778 and जो normal regular GT है, that one comes with Snapdragon 888 processor. In this video, we are going to talk about the Master Edition, which is definitely interesting because it is priced at 25,000 rupees. It comes with 5G processor. It supports a lot of 5G bands and it does not compromise on things which we have seen in other devices by Realme, Xiaomi or many other devices of Samsung's Galaxy A22. That device, this is way better as compared to A22. Just buy this over the A22. This is my instant recommendation without you watching the video if you're planning to buy that device. But let's start with the device's build quality because this is where Realme has focused a lot. Like the back panel, how it looks, the different design, the case which is included inside the box. It's not your regular case, it's a little bit different. And yes, the device looks different, feels little bit different. I won't really say the device has a lot of grip because this is not a real leather that they have used in the backside, and the sides are made out of polycarbonate or plastic. Once again, these are not made out of metal. The device does look different, much better as compared to other devices that Realme has with Dare to Live branding at the edges and with the rainbow color, which I did not like initially, but I started liking later on. This is a very plain device and definitely looks good. In hand feel is something I would say is 7 out of 10. It's not something way different as compared to your regular glass back panel phones or polycarbonate back panel phones. It's the looks that matters when it comes to Realme GT Master Edition. Now this is a device priced at 25,000 rupees, meaning its performance is something which needs to be very good. Now there are devices with Snapdragon 870 or Dimensity 1200 processor available in the price range of 25 to 30,000 rupees, and this one comes with Snapdragon 700 series processor, which is the Snapdragon 778. Now how is the performance? अगर आपको ये क्वेश्चन है भाई गेमिंग बता बस तू कैसा है, we want to buy it for gaming, then let me tell you that धनंजय गेमिंग पे जाओ and detailed video वहां पे देख सकते हो, but I will obviously tell you how is the gaming performance. Then with BGMI I was actually surprised to see 60 FPS gaming available with BGMI on the device after we unboxed it. Really good. Not just that, the gaming performance also was fantastic. 90% of the times it was able to maintain 58 to 60 FPS, which is really good. And at the price tag of 25,000 rupees, with this being a Snapdragon 700 series processor, this performance definitely gets a huge thumbs up from my side. I know the competition is something that we need to talk about. बाद में बात करेंगे Dimensity 1200 processor वाले device Realme X7 Max, which is also available for 25,000. थोड़ा बाद में बात करते हैं competition के बारे में. First of all, let's talk about the Realme GT Master Edition. So when it comes to gaming performance, thumbs up. When it comes to day-to-day life performance, thumbs up once again. When it comes to CPU throttling test that we did with the CPU throttling test application, I was actually surprised. 87% was the score that this device achieved. I was like, what? How is that possible? Because even my OnePlus 9 Pro sometimes gets lesser score, and there are some other devices in this particular price segment which will receive lesser score as compared to Realme GT Master Edition. So it seems like Snapdragon 778 is a winner, and it's not just 5G processor now, it 5G plus very good performing processor as well. It does not overheat. That was quite surprising once again. As I said, gaming performance is good, regular day-to-day life performance is also very good on the device. And at the price tag of 25,000 rupees, this is how the performance should be. Samsung Galaxy A22, I know Dimensity and वो सारा प्रोसेसर है, बट भाई वो TFT LCD screen and all, this one comes with AMOLED screen 120 Hz. This looks fantastic. The display quality is something you do not have to worry about. Viewing angles are great. Colors look good as well. No issues whatsoever. As this is AMOLED screen, you get always on display and all the other good stuff of that AMOLED screen. Basically, display quality, performance is something you do not need to worry about. There is some more things you do not need to worry about is the fast charging support. 65 watt dart charging support is present here. It is super quick, super duper quick. Don't worry about charging as well. I was not able to test the battery life thoroughly, so I will not be able to comment much about that, but 4 to 5 hours of screen on time should be possible considering Snapdragon 778 processor that we tested. Like we did only gaming and CPU throttling test and few other tests only, and in that particular test we were not like the battery is draining too fast, so probably you do not have to worry about that as well. When it comes to Realme GT Master Edition, now there is something you need to worry about is the competition, and Realme needs to worry about one specific device that I personally enjoyed and that's the Realme X7 Max. This is the Realme X7 Max, which I loved. When it comes to gaming, this is amazing, a monster of a device. I know when it comes to looks and all, Realme GT Master Edition definitely looks slightly better as compared to Realme X7 Max, but X7 Max is priced at 25,000 rupees now. What? How is that possible? Because it was supposed to be costlier. Now Realme GT Master Edition also costs, let's say, 25,000 rupees. Then which one would I recommend? Then if you are a gamer, if you need great, amazing performance, then obviously Dimensity 1200 processor is the way to go. It supports 5G, it has amazing performance, amazing gaming performance as well, because when it comes to 90 FPS gaming, this X7 Max is going to perform better as compared to Realme GT Master Edition. Now this is very surprising, like I have to compare two Realme devices in the same particular price segment, but if you're someone who wants looks, then obviously Realme GT Master Edition is the device to go for, because it looks better as compared to Realme X7 Max for sure. Has little bit of different look to it. From front, both these devices are literally identical. If I don't tell you which device is which, then you will be confused for sure. Now here is a side-by-side comparison of Realme GT Master Edition and the Realme X7 Max when it comes to cameras. Which one do you think looks better? Let me know about that in the comment section box below. In our initial impressions, both these devices definitely performed very good. Realme GT Master Edition was clicking pictures which were a little bit closer to real life, but it's not like X7 Max is looking bad by any means. But X7 Max has little bit of edge when it comes to sharpness, or does it? Here is a zoomed in sample of this particular photo against Realme GT Master Edition and the Realme X7 Max. Which one do you think would you prefer when it comes to selfie camera or when it comes to rear facing camera? Let me know about that in the comment section box below. And I guess that's pretty much it for the Realme GT Master Edition video. So what's the takeaway from this video? If you are a casual gamer, then Realme GT Master Edition is something you should definitely consider, because Realme UI 2.0 based on Android 11 runs pretty smoothly. The performance is really good. Cameras on the Realme GT Master Edition are good, and the looks wise, this is something which will stand out for sure. Now Realme X7 Max is already there in this particular price segment, which is better when it comes to performance, which has better camera sensor as such, but not really better processing, I would say. Both these devices are pretty neck to neck when it comes to cameras, but X7 Max has that better processor, which means that in future, if Realme decides to add something which is much more processor heavy, then Realme X7 Max will perform better in that particular case. And I guess that's pretty much it for this particular video. If you enjoyed it, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and press the bell icon so that you get notified next time I upload a video like this one. So yeah, thank you guys, thank you for watching.